Hi children. Welcome to today's class. Today we shall learn about what is a subject and a predicate. As we all know that the sentence is made up of group of words. For example, Raju, apple, eats, and when these words are arranged in a proper order, makes a complete sense. That is, Raju eats an apple. Now a sentence is divided into two parts, a subject and a predicate. A subject is about whom or what we are talking about. A predicate is that which tells something about the subject. In this sentence, Raju eats an apple. Raju is the subject. Eats an apple is the predicate. Raju is about whom we are talking. Eats an apple is which tells something about the subject. The boys play football. The boys is the subject. Play football is the predicate. My mother's name is Geeta. My mother is the subject. Name is Geeta is the predicate. Sita is a good girl. Sita is the subject. Is a good girl is the predicate.